Hi there, today we're gonna talk about these funnels, and these are used to in spot treatment. For example, we need only to spray one plant with either an organic insecticide or commercial one, or even an herbicide. So these are great, you put on the plant and this will spray them. Inside we have a nozzle. Let me see if I can show you. So it already have a nozzle in it, so that we don't have any trouble. So the easy way to install it is, we need a pump, and all we need to do is we remove the nozzle from the pump, and we screw on the funnel, and that is done. When we use this to spray, it's ideal because there is protection from the wind, so there will be a lesser widespread of the insecticide or pesticide we're gonna use, and also it is very direct, so we can easily treat one plant only. These cones are easily to find around and easy to clean. They will be taken apart easily. Let me take this one apart. So we've taken it apart, and we can also pull off the nozzle and clean it if it ever gets stuck. It's a simple gadget, but useful in agriculture, in any type of agriculture, as it reduces contamination. When we spray in the open field and using the usual method with the nozzle only, there is a larger chance that we spread around the insecticide, which will cause more harm than benefits. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you.